Hi guys, in today's vlog is all about my visit to the coffee project. It's a cafe here in Cebu. I always pass this place and it really reminds me of a place in the United States. My husband told me to see for myself what the place looks like since he already visited the place at some point. I ordered a mocha frappuccino. It is always my go-to for a drink because you can never go wrong with it. It's simple and I can always tell right away if it's a good drink or what because the mixture is very simple. It's always been like what the coffee they use, what cream and sugar. My verdict to the mocha frap is not that really tasty. There's a lack of sugar and the whipped cream isn't too sweet. Maybe it's how they want the drink to be, to get mild on sugar or what it is, I don't know. I was pretty shocked since the price is 205 pesos. I did expect a little bit more of a taste, but somehow the place is really nice for sweethearts, meetings, and birthdays. The decor is fabulous and it's pretty clean. The pastry section looks terrific, but I wasn't in the mood for food tasting that day, so I can't get my review on that. Overall, I do certainly love the place. It looks like Cracker Barrel in the US. It's a rustic, old country style of a setup. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.